Everybody doing today? It's the Muskrat Air Gunner. Today I want to make a video of what I received from Buckrail. I received a suppressor from Buckrail. It seems to be decent. I mean, it looks real good. You can take these things out and replace them, make them longer or shorter, or you can take it apart and clean it. And then it's got a steel insert, half by 20 threads in it. I'm going to compare it today of the loudness and the group size of pellets. I'm shooting the 33.9 grain AEA. I'm going to shoot 5 shots each, 5 shots with the Buckrail, and then 5 shots with the Donnie Flow Yokozuna, and we're going to see the difference in the loudness and the accuracy of them. This one's about an inch shorter. The Buckrail is, but it seems to be, I mean, it's light, but I'm going to try it on my Humarex Zelos and see. First, we're going to try the Buckrail LDC. Then we're going to try the Donnie Flow Yokozuna. Like I said, we're going to shoot 5 shots each up there. Let me put this on here. Okay, we're going to try, like I say, we're going to see what they do. We're going to shoot 5 shots each. The target on the left at 50 yards, we're going to shoot the Buckrail. And then the right one, we're going to shoot the Donnie Flow Yokozuna and see how loud it is, how much it silences this gun. I'm shooting these AEA 33.9s around 890 feet a second. And we're going to see the accuracy. So give me a minute to go up and cut the camera on, and then I'll be right back. Okay, got the camera on up there now. Like I say, we're going to shoot 5 shots each. The target on the left is the Buckrail LDC, and then the target on the right will be the Yokozuna. So let's go ahead and try it out. Okay, that was the 5 shots for that. Give me a second here. Well, if I can get it on here. Now then, we shoot 5 of the Yokozuna, right hand target. Okay, that was 5 shots each. Now we will, it looks like that the Buckrail got a little bit closer, but I still got to tune this gun a little bit. It ain't been tuned quite yet since it's warmed up. I'm gonna try to get them a little bit faster and see what they do. So, like I say, once I get it tuned really good, then we'll do it again. But sounded to me like the Yokozuna was just a little bit quieter. This is a muskrat air gunner. Please like and subscribe.